Good evening, everyone. Let everyone join in, friends. Good evening, Anugraha. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Rashmi. Good evening, Sophia. Akshay, Prashant. Good evening, everyone. Let me take my AFM. Good evening, Shantanu. Yes. So, friends, shall we go and review our study plan? Has everyone joined in? First of all, hats off to all you students who are attending it live right now. We started off with 140 students, but then this eventually happened. Some students slowly bring it down, maybe because of their work pressure or whatever be it. So those who stay consistent till the end, they have a leading advantage. Hats off to all of you who are attending these sessions consistently. And sorry from my side, last week I was in Kochi and I just couldn't handle one more extra mentoring session. It was getting very exhausting for me. That's why I did not keep a session last week. But this week we will definitely cover it up. Okay. Now, shall I begin? Right. So friends, first let's take the study plan. Okay, so when you check the study plan, we started off with easy chapters. Then we did portfolio. Derivatives was done. Now this week, it's actually Forex. Am I right? What is today's date? Today's
18, sir.
18. So I think today is the right day for you to complete Forex also. Am I right? So last week I couldn't take it. So last week was derivatives. This week is Forex. So we would like to have a live discussion on these two topics this time. Shall we go and check how many people have submitted their assignments on time? We have to start with mock examination, friends. October 1st, we'll start with mock examination. All right. So let me just take the assignments. Let us look at the analytics of the assignment now. 1 minute. We have done security evaluation, futures, options, and this time it is Forex. Let's check how many have done Forex. Hats off Ajita, Ashish, Ashita, Kiran, Linta, Lokakirti, Madhav, Rahul, Russell. Hats off to all of you. You have all done your assignments. But in total, we have only 13 people who have submitted the assignment, friends. 300 people have gone into the pending list. Okay. Prashant, you have done the assignment, yet to upload. Fine, Prashant. Hats off to you. See, ultimately, it's not about showing me whether you have done or you have not done. It's about showing to yourself. But when we do it on a live platform, you at least know where you are standing in a crowd of 300 and 300 plus students. Let us check what about futures and options. That we had 28 people submitting futures and options. Fantastic. But for Forex, the number has come down. I request you all, please do your assignments. Assignments is going to be your secret key to score extremely good marks in the upcoming examination, friends. Okay, right. Now I'm going to keep the desk open. Whatever doubts you have, you can ask me those doubts. I will clarify all your doubts and then we'll plan for the assignment for the next week also.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I have a doubt in question 4 of derivatives in study material.
Let me take that. Am I speaking to you, Ashita?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Derivatives, right?
Yes, sir, derivatives.
Yeah. What is the question number 4, is it?
Question 4, sir.
Yes, Ashita, tell me, what is your doubt?
Sir, in question 4, how do we do that proof part? I didn't understand how they have done in the study material.
Okay, let me explain to you. There are actually two ways of doing it. I'll explain both the methods to you. In fact, yesterday I was doing this same question in my mastery book also. Okay, so I'll just do one thing. I'll just explain to you from my mastery book directly. Give me a minute. What is the number in the question? I think we'll take the number as 220 PQR 3 months PQR futures, right? Just a minute. Let me download the book. Okay. Derivative is coming in page number 594. Okay, I think somewhere over here we have that question. This is concepts. One minute. Yeah, Lokakirti, I'll come to this one by one. We'll do that. Okay, let me just explain this question first. Still in concepts, is it? I think I had more practice problems available. Rise trader. Yeah, this question, right, Ashita? Ashita, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right? Okay, so now basically when you look at this question, they have given you the face value today is 220, the spot price, 3 months future is given at 230. They have given you the borrowing rate and they have given you the dividend rate also over here. Now the problem in this question is that this dividend that is given in the question, hold on, let me connect my writing device also. Okay, so this dividend rate, it can be either dividend rate. What is the formula for dividend rate? DPS divided by face value, or this can be treated as dividend yield. The question is silent about this. If it is dividend yield, the formula will be DPS divided by MPS. All right. So in this question, I believe they have taken it as dividend rate. So we have learned if this is dividend rate, the equation will be what? S0 into e raised to RT minus D into e raised to RT. Am I right? So if you do it on this basis, what will happen? You will have 220 into e raised to, the rate is 15%, correct? 15% is for 1 year. So 0.15 into 3 by 12 will give you 0.0375 minus dividend will be face value 10 rupees. So 2.50 into e raised to RT. So that will be 1.0375. So the factor is going to be 1.03823. This into 220 will give you 228.40 minus 2.60. So when you do this, you get the answer as 225.80. Ashita, are you clear with this part now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's exactly how your textbook says. Here they have got 225.75 is the answer you got in my mastery book. Okay. Now, assume you're doing this not in this manner. If you want to take a screenshot, I'm rubbing this now. Can I rub it? There is an alternative method also, Ashita. We can do it like this. We can just call it as assuming it to be dividend yield, e raised to r minus y into t. It will be 220 into e raised to 0.15 minus 0.25 into 3 divided by 12 into e raised to minus 0.025. So that becomes negative, means it becomes a present value. 0.025 into divided by 2 plus 1.025. Right? So it will be 1.025375. That will be 220 into 1 divided by this. So when you do it like this, what is your answer? You'll get the answer as 214.56. Even this answer is correct, assuming that 25% is going to be your dividend yield. Are you clear with this part now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Ashita. Thank you so much. Shall I go to the next doubt now? Okay. Yes. So,
Sir, study
Lokakirti, yeah,
There
tell
are a
me.
question about 22.
Wait. I think we have. I'll just call you one by one. Just put your message in the chat
Sir,
box. Yeah.
sir, that arbitrage part, can you just explain me?
Okay, you want me to explain the arbitrage part? Okay, fine. So
Yes, sir.
arbitrage part is basically nothing but now we got the theoretical price as 225. Am I right?
Okay.
This is
Yes, sir.
this should be the price. Correct. But 230 is
Okay.
going to be your actual price. So your actual
Okay.
price is overvalued. So very soon the price is going to
Overvalued.
fall down. So what will we do? We will sell.
Sir.
Correct?
Okay.
Okay, somebody else also asked me a doubt. Can you please put your doubt in the message box? I'll go in that order. Lokakirti, can you please unmute yourself and interact with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Lokakirti, you want me to explain to you the logic of swap loss and interest on outlay of fund, is it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Lokakirti, that's a very, very long concept. I will do one thing. I will right away now add a video to your mentoring batch. Okay. Just play that
Okay.
video once and you will be able to get the whole concept. All right.
Okay, sir.
I'll just take it from my YouTube. Give me 1 minute time. I think I had given that same access to my students who are attending my ODP book 1 minute. Yes. I'm copying this link and I'll just paste it over here. It's a 1-hour video, but once you play this, you'll get the entire logic of interest on outlay of funds. Okay. Lokakirti, I think I've done that in my class, right?
Yes, sir. I actually understood it to some extent, but I didn't get the 100% clarity with that
No
concept. So
problem.
that is
I'm
the reason I
sharing the
asked you.
link again. Just play this video and then if you have doubts, ask me again. Okay. I'll
Okay,
clarify it
sir.
for you. All right.
Okay.
Because if I take this right now, it will take 1 hour only to explain this one chapter concept. That's why. Okay.
Okay, sir. Fine then.
I've done it. Now I'll go to the next one. Dakshinamurthy. Derivative question number 11. We take 59 days in class, but study material takes us 58 days. I think, how did I take 59 days? I'll tell you. We took 28 days in February and 31 days in March. Am I right? 28 plus 31, we took 59. So we have taken all the days inclusive. If the study material has taken it as 58 days, they would have done what? They would have excluded the last day. See, I'll tell you why it happens like that, Dakshinamurthy. Understand the logic. February 1st is the date given in the question. Have they
Yes, sir.
told it is February 1st morning or February 1st evening? It's not told. Okay.
No, sir.
If you assume it is February 1st evening, then it's only 58 days. If you assume it is February 1st morning, then it is 59 days. Are you clear now? Okay. Fine. Now, Prashant, you have a doubt on combination of share and option part, right? Okay, that's another very, very tricky area. Let's discuss that. 1 minute. Sorry. 1 minute. I think do one thing. I'll upload the video and then I'll explain the logic. That was one of the first videos I took in YouTube, friends. It's taken in a very, very different manner. I look very different in that. Don't bother all that. Just check that video. Okay. My sound is also totally gone in that video. I'll take the just a moment. It's too much of content here, friends. Yes, this is the question that you are looking at. Okay, I'm just taking the video right away now. This was taken long back. Okay, so here basically they have done this entire thing. So I'll just explain to you with this write-up that I have given you over here. One moment. Yeah, just a moment. First I'll take the link and I'll put it in the batch here so that you can always watch this video. Okay. Done. Now let me just explain to you. See, basically what is happening is in this question, you have price as 390 today. This is today's price. Okay. The price can either go up or the price can come down. The price can either go up to 390 or the price can fall down to how much? 240. That is because it is 0.5 shares is what is coming in this case, right? The real price of the share is 600. Price may go up to 780. Price may fall down to 450. If the price goes up to 780, you have a right to buy at 630. You will exercise. So you get how much over here? 150. If the price falls down to 480, what will you do? You will lapse. And if you lapse, you will get a value of 0. All right. Now, tell me, what is the formula for beta that we have learned? Formula number 4 is what? Change in X divided by change in the market. Right? Same way here,
Yes,
the
sir.
formula that they have given is change in the option value divided by change in the spot value. Okay. So when they do that like this, they get the answer as 0.5 shares. So the logic of this is that if you are buying 0.5 shares, you should sell one call option. Are you clear with this part? So when you do like this, you will end up making no profit, no loss. That is what they're trying to tell you over here. How that works, I will just show you now. If the price goes up, I'll just give you both the scenarios in writing over here. 1 minute. Just a moment, friends. Okay. So I'll just explain to you now. There can be two scenarios. I'll put it this way. Situation number 1 can be that the price is actually going up to how much? 780. Okay. If the price goes up to 780, what am I doing? I am buying 0.50 shares. So the price of one share will be 780 into 0.5. That will turn out to be how much? 390 rupees. And since I have sold one call, other fellow has exercised it. Other fellow will make a profit of 150. I am going to make a loss of 150 rupees. So now tell me what is going to be my net cash flow over here?
240.
240 rupees. Okay. Now I can also have situation number 2. The price is going to fall down to how much? 480. I have done two things over here. First, what have I done? I have bought 0.5 shares. So that will be equal to 240 rupees. Then what have I done? Sold a call. I have sold a call where there is a right to buy at 630. Outside market 480. Exercise or lapse? Lapse. So the value becomes 0. Net effect, how much do you get over here? 480. So if you see whether the price goes up or the price falls down, your price remains the same. Hence proven that C1 minus C2 divided by S1 minus S2 is a workable formula. I'll give you 1 minute, write down this.
Sir, and one more thing, in this
Yeah.
question, we are about to find option value today. So we
Correct.
can use binomial formula also for this, sir.
Yes, you will get the same answer.
Yes.
But the problem is that I'll explain to you. Okay, one is that they can ask you the value of option. There you can directly use what model? Binomial model. But sometimes they will ask you the value of combination option. So when I say combination option means, what are you doing over here? You are selling a call for which you will receive premium. I'll call it as P. Then what are you doing? You're also buying 0.50 shares over there. Am I right? That can be a second option. So for the second option, the calculation will be different. But ultimately, using binomial model, whatever answer you're getting, I think your answer would be 65.85, correct? You will get exactly the same answer when you do it in this method also.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You want me to try showing you in this method? Wait, I'll do that right away now. I'll just take the textbook and search for it. You cannot see that here. I'll just check it in the study material.
Study material page number 9.78, sir.
1 minute. Yes, this one, right? See, here what is
Yes, sir.
happening? Here they have told, okay, this 240 is clear, right? I'll just show you
Yes,
this
sir.
one. Now, what are you actually doing over here? You buy a share. So when you buy a share, you have to pay how much money? 300 rupees you have to pay, correct? Now, you are selling a call. So when you sell a call, you will receive some premium. That premium will be your inflow. Am I right?
Inflow.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
is your net investment that is happening today? That will be 300 minus P today, correct? You're looking at a return
sir.
of 10% for 1 year, or you're looking for a return of 2.5% for 3 months. Am I right?
Months.
And at the
Yes, sir.
end of period, you will get 240 rupees, which we already checked it out, correct? So can I say
Yes, sir.
that 300 minus P into 1.025 should be equal to 240? So when you do it like this, you will get the premium amount as how much? 65.85.
Thank you, sir.
Just write it down.
Yes, sir.
Sir, here 240 is the amount where we'll not be making any loss or gain, right?
Exactly. No, that wherever the price is going, you'll get 240 only. I just proved that to you over here.
Yeah. The total cash flow will be 240.
Yes, correct. Okay. Ashita, you want me to explain to you interest rate swap, is it? Ashita, can you unmute and speak to me?
Yes, sir. Question 12 of ODB.
1 minute, let me take that. Just a minute, it's just taking some time. Okay. What's the page number? Any idea, Ashita?
267, I think, sir. 265.
Okay, so concept number 9, is it, or this question?
Question 12.
This is concept
Not
number
concept, sir. Not concept, sir. Question.
Okay, this question, is it?
Not this, sir. The next one. I think there are two question number 12.
Oh, that has to be
This.
corrected over here. Thanks for letting me know that. Okay, now this is a question on a similar to what we have done earlier. So this is a question where IB, an Indian firm, has its subsidiary in Japan, and Zaki is a Japanese firm, has a subsidiary in India. They are facing the following interest rates. So in India, you have a rates of this. The BPLR is basically the basic prime lending rate. Okay. And here it is BPLR plus 2.5%. Yen rate, fixed rate is also given over here. All right. They want to do this entire basic swap, and only one thing is that they require a 25 basis point as commission. So everything else exactly the same, Ashita. For example, when you take the differential, here you'll get the differential as how much percentage? 2%. Here it will be 0.25. What is your net differential over here?
0.25%.
75, correct?
1.75.
Out of this,
Yes.
0.25% will be taken by the bank. All right. Remaining 1.5 will be transferred as 0.75%, 0.75%. So this will
Till
go
there
to
I understood, sir. After that, I'm not understanding.
But after that, there is nothing more to understand. Let me come down and check.
Some other figures are given.
Oh, wait, that might be a typing error here. Hold on. If some other figures are given, that must be an error. Hold on, I need to check that part.
Right.
BPLR. Sorry, this chart is incorrect. All right, they have just by mistake copied pasted it. I'll correct this part.
Okay.
Thank you for letting me know about this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ashita.
Sir, I have one more doubt. That question 13.
Hold on. Let
The
me
next
mark
question.
it somewhere. ODB. Okay, it's here. No, but my other book is in the classroom. Okay, fine. Tell me. What is the other question?
Sir,
Ashita?
in that
Tell me.
ODB, the next question. Question 13. Question 13, sir. Question 13.
13. Okay. All right.
Yeah. Sir, in this, we should take the start date as 1/7/2018.
Okay, I'll explain that to you. Here, this question in your examination has been solved with the starting date of 31/12/2018. But ideally, as you told, we have done other question in class where they have started from 1/7. 1/7 is actually correct.
Yes.
But this is exactly how your institute suggested answer had solved this. And this created a lot of confusion in their examination. So I have given the answer exactly as per the suggested, because tomorrow also when they give the suggestion, it might come in the same manner. Are you clear? But in reality, what you said is absolutely correct. We should start only from 1/7.
So this question we can do it that way also, no?
You can
From
do it that
1/7,
way. You can
starting
do it
from
that way.
1/7.
You can do it that way.
Oh. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ashita. Thank you so much. Yes, friends. Any other doubts in the chat box?
Sir, in the previous question, why are we taking an equal share ratio? That is 1.5 gain is shared
Given
as
in the question.
0.75 to one firm and this one.
It's given in the shared by the firms equally.
Okay. I didn't notice. Okay, sir. Okay.
That's okay. That's okay. Yes, friends. Any other doubts? I'm very happy to see you all studying so well, coming up with doubts and doing your assignments. This is the right way to take it forward, friends. Those who haven't done the assignment, I just have one request. Okay, I'll just share a lesson with all of you. Okay, there is a wonderful book called as Swallow the Big Frog. Okay, so you have many students have piled up many areas. Now you have two options. Option number one, take it exactly the way you're taking it now, or take an aggressive 2 days break from everything. Stop everything else. Sit, do the assignment, finish it off. 2 days, do every question 2 times, submit the assignment. That way, you will be able to cover the entire part, whatever is pending so far, And October will be a relaxing season for you because we are going to have 3 mock examinations in October, friends. So you have to be ready with that also. Okay. Right. Now, so I think all the doubts are clarified. Can I give you the next assignment now?
Yes, sir.
Excellent, friends. Now let's check. So the major chunk is over. The danger areas are over. Now only easy topics are left to be done. Okay. Let me take the content. What was the next assignment that I had given you? Now you have interest rate risk management is yet pending. I don't think derivatives included. Rashida, you have already done that. Fantastic. Or did I give you
Yes,
that
sir.
as assignment also?
You had given that as assignment also, sir.
Fantastic. Then you're actually 1 week ahead, friends. Next week, you don't have much pressure. Let's do one thing. Can we move to business valuation? That's the next, crucial area. So next 1 week, can we focus on that? And then we will do IFM. Okay. All right. So I'm just changing the assignment pattern a little bit. We'll do business valuation and mergers in the coming week. All right. Start date will be next week, right? So 25th September. Start date will be today. Submission date will be 25th September. Am I right? Time I'll keep it at 7:21 p.m. All right. All right, friends. Very happy to see you all here. I'll see you next Wednesday, 8:30 p.m. Attend my mentoring sessions without fail. Okay. Thank you so much, friends. Have a lovely time ahead. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.